I have a package on the left hand side. You can see, right? Com.
Yeah.
You can create any number of package with any name. Okay. So why is package used? Package is used to group same kind of class or same kind of Java file in one
You
bag.
you can try easy to remember.
See, we should use package.
Yeah.
Okay. Means that I created a package with the name com. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Uh, I want to write in your program in your system, man. Wait. Shen files. Stop it. Take one minute. It. Mm, okay, I will do it maybe next time. Okay. I will start the next chapter first.
Okay.
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 Okay. So this is called overloading.
It's maybe have any problem with my program about package, right? But
No, there is no problem in your program. The only thing that you can write more better program.
yeah.
Okay. Your program is absolutely correct.
So when you will show me about package?
Actually I want to when we will start in the go-to meeting, right? One day,
Oh,
maybe tomorrow.
okay. Okay. Okay.
Then I will control your screen and then I will do it.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So the next topic is overloading.
Yes.
You know this thing, overloading?
A little bit. Cái tiếng sọc với ấy như vậy. You sit.
Okay. So what do you know about overloading? What is overloading?
Overloading.
Yes.
I just know it the same method or the same constructor name but different parameter.
Good. Very good. Okay. So yesterday you saw that we have three constructors, right?
Yes.
And different parameters. Correct?
Yeah.
So this is called overloading.
Okay.
You already know this.
Yeah.
Okay. Now actually I can have these are called overloaded constructors. I will say these constructors are called overloaded constructors. Means the, the same constructor with different arguments or different parameters.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Now I can have similar way different uh, methods. Suppose this is one of my method. I can create one more method with same name but different argument. You see this?
Yes.
These three are overloaded methods. Okay. You see this, right?
Yes.
This is no argument. This is string val, and this is int val. Okay, so when you call this, okay.
Yes.
So when you call the method, without any parameter, then it will go to this method, no argument wala, no argument method.
Yes.
When you call the with one argument like integer kind of argument, so it will go to integer method. You can see here, right?
Yes. I see.
And when you go to the string thing, it will go to string thing. Okay. So when I run this, see, first you called no argument, so it came no argument. Next you called int val. Then next you called string val.
Yes.
So this is called overloading.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I see.
So when to use overloading? Suppose you have to do same kind of work in a method, but your parameters are different. Input parameters are different.
Okay.
Okay. So I will read the slide. Okay. So this is called custom method overloading. Whatever I showed you now. Okay. This is called method overloading. And similarly, we have constructor overloading. Correct?
Yes.
Same concept. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So, you have heard about the term polymorphism?
Polymorphism. Little bit.
What is that? Tell me. Whatever you know, tell me.
In fact, polymorphism, we talk about overloading and overrides.
Okay, good. You are right. What does polymorphism actually mean? You know what is the meaning of polymorphism?
You can show me.
Okay. So polymorphism means poly means many,
Yes.
okay? And morph means form. Means
Yeah.
one thing, it has many avatars or many forms.
Yeah.
Okay. So so one method having different forms. So
Okay.
these are one method because it has same name, but it has different forms.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, I see.
So now we'll be reading about, yeah, method overloading and constructor overloading first. Okay.
Yes.
Now basically there are two kinds of polymorphism. One is compile time and one is runtime. Okay.
Okay.
So in the compile time polymorphism, we read about overloading.
Okay.
Whatever we are reading now, it is a example of overloading, right?
Yes.
So it is a compile time polymorphism. What does compile time polymorphism means? Any idea?
Compile time. Compile.
Yes, any idea? Tell me so.
What does compile time mean?
Okay. So when we in the first class I told you that to run a Java program you have to do two steps. One is Java C and then
Okay.
file name dot Java,
Yeah.
correct?
Yes.
So that compiles the program.
Okay.
Okay. So currently in Eclipse, whenever you save your program, it automatically compiles it internally.
Yes.
So this code is already compiled. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Compilation means that you will have dot class file generated for your Java file.
Mm-hmm.
I had showed you
Yeah. In fact,
in
you
the
already
first.
you already showed me.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So compile time means that, see, I have three methods of the same name, correct? I am calling these three methods. Okay. So if I am calling this particular method, which one will be called? Tell me. I am calling this method get value of a string argument.
Yeah.
So which method will be called?
You you can go to man
Hmm?
move to man. Okay.
I am
Okay.
calling this
Okay.
method.
Call it get value. Okay. And go to school class. Okay. Okay. It will call get value string vol.
Good. Correct. Okay. So this decision is already taken at compile time.
Yes.
Okay. So when you compile the program, that time only the Java will decide that, okay, for this call, I will be calling this method.
Yes.
Okay. So one more way to check it is that you press Control and hover your mouse. You can see here, right? I am pressing Control key in the keyboard
Yeah.
and then I am putting the mouse over the method name. So I see two options, right? Open declaration, open implementation.
Yes.
When you click on any of them, it will directly go to the method which is called.
Yes.
So means at the time of compilation, it is decided that which method has to be called.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So this is called compile time polymorphism.
Yes.
Means compiler decides at the time of compilation only that exactly which method has to be called.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Whereas when we will read about overloading, okay, that is overloading is overriding. It is a runtime polymorphism. So in this case, you will see that in your Eclipse you cannot decide which method has to be called. Okay, we will see that in the overriding chapter. Okay,
Yes.
so you understood what is compile time polymorphism.
Yes, I see.
So tell me what is compile time polymorphism.
Okay. Compile time polymorphism. Okay. When the method call.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Tell me.
Yes. In fact, I see about it, but a little bit difficult because I can I share my screen and I will show you. Easy to
Okay, okay. Show me.
okay. I will show you like what you show me.
Okay.
Okay. What is compile time? Okay. Okay. Now I have. Okay. Okay. Now I have two class.
Hmm.
The first class test and the second class employee. Okay.
Yes.
When compile time
Hmm.
system print out. Okay. Okay. Now I create an object employee.
Yes.
Okay. When compile time employee dot get dot grid mean
Hmm.
when compile time employee will call to the main subgrid.
Hmm.
See pivot. Okay. And then it will call this method.
Yes.
Yes. He is the compile time.
Actually, no. Yeah, this is compile time. But what is compile time polymorphism?
Okay.
You are right. Whatever you told, it is compile time.
Yeah.
But what is polymorphism?
Okay.
Compile time polymorphism.
Compile time polymorphism it will look for the parameter in the same in the value that part two parameter in the same type it will call. Mean
Okay.
it will call
Okay.
with the method the same parameter and the same type.
Correct. You are right.
Okay.
So can you write one more uh, overloaded method for greet in your employee.java?
Okay. Like this, right?
Okay.
Yes. Okay, I will compile. No, compile or not?
Hmm. You have to save your program, right? Employee.java.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. When the compile time, EMP object will call method grid with parameter,
Hmm.
yeah, and input no,
Yes.
argument and input and part of value argument to parameter.
Okay.
Okay, this one.
Good. So you understood what is compile time, right?
Yeah.
Compile time polymorphism.
Yeah, yes.
Good. So I will show my screen. Stop sharing your screen. Okay. So we have learned all the most of the rules about compile time polymorphism, that is overloading.
Yes.
Okay. Now only slide is left. So okay, one more thing I will tell you, that uh, in the compile time polymorphism, I will just write it here. Okay. I will write it here so that you will be able to understand clearly. First rule. Okay. Return type of the overloaded methods, or better I will say like this. Uh, Parameters of overloaded methods can differ in can differ in either type of arguments or number of arguments or both. Means that, and one more thing, return type of overloaded method has play no role you can read both the things.
Okay. Parameters or overload method can different in either type of argument or number of argument or both. Return type of overload method play no role in overloading.
You understand this or
No.
okay, no problem. See here, to make correct overloading, okay, either the number of parameters should be different or type of parameter should be different, or both. Means that, see, what is the how many parameters are there in the first method?
One parameter.
Okay, what is there in the second one?
Also one parameter.
Okay, so they are still overloaded because the type of parameter is different. One is a string and one is int. Okay, you are getting this point, right?
Yes.
So if the number of parameters are same, then you should have the type different.
Yeah.
You can have something like this and also something like this. So they are also overloaded. Their number of parameters are same, but their types are different. Correct? One is int, one is a string, and here both are string.
Yeah.
So that's what it says, that, or we can have overloading in this way also. Here number of parameters is different, so there is no problem. There is one parameter, here it is two parameter. So they are overloaded. Okay.
Yeah.
So suppose if I say here string, so are they overloaded now?
No,
Why?
because the same type.
Okay. Yes, because of the same type and same number.
Yeah, sometimes a number.
Okay. Now suppose if I change the return type of int here. So are they still overloaded or are they same? Are they not overloaded? Are they overloaded?
Hello.
Yeah, tell me. Are these two methods I have changed? You can see in the line number 35. I have added the return type as int in line number 35.
Yes.
So, and the parameters are same, string and string.
Yes.
So the question is, are these two methods overloaded?
No.
Yes. Why? You are right. No. Why?
Because it's the same type, string vol and string vol one.
But I have given the different return type. One is void and one is int.
Because vol return type is integer, but the parameter is string.
See,
So
your answer.
yes, so
Yeah, tell me.
the vol one should be declared with integer type, no string.
Wait. See, I have told you that in case of overloading, return types has no value. Whatever you write, either it is void. That's what I wrote. Return type of overloaded methods play no role in the overloading. Okay. So it does not care whether what is your return type in case of overloading. It only looks for the arguments. You're getting this? No, yes, no, anything.
No, not yet.
See what I have written here. Return type of overloaded method play no role in overloading.
Okay.
Okay. What does this mean? That if means overloading do not care what is the return type of the methods. It is ignored. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
See, overloading is decided only by the parameters, nothing else.
Okay.
That's it. Okay.
Okay.
Whatever you write in the return type, whether it is void or int, makes no difference in case of overloading.
Mm-hmm.
Why I told you about return type? Because if you go for some interview for your job and they can ask you that what is the behavior if I change the return type of overloaded methods. So there is no change or no impact of the return types.
Plano.
Okay.
Okay.
Now you read it. I will tell you if any you have doubt.
Yes. It's okay.
Read the slide.
Compile time polymorphism, also called as overloading static binding static method, despite two types: constructor overloading, method overloading. The method constructor is overloaded 0 to n number of parameters. The binding of the method and the calling happens during the compile time. It's not available to compile error.
You understand this, or you want any explanation?
I need you to explain me.
Which one? Which sentence?
Okay. We said compiler time polymorphism also called as static binding.
See, these are the different names of compile time polymorphism.
Okay, the same, right? Overloading, static binding, static method, and spine.
Yes, everything is same.
Okay.
Okay, there are two types of compile time polymorphism: constructor overloading and method overloading. You have already seen example, right?
Yes.
Next, the method or constructor is overloaded with 0 to n number of parameters. So, in case of overloading, you can have 0 parameter or more than 0 parameter.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
The binding of the method and the calling happens during compile time. I told you, right?
Yes.
That the decision of which method to call is taken during the compile time itself.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Now you read it.
Method overloading syntax. Access specifier, return type, method name, parameter list. Okay, access
That is
specifier.
the syntax of the method.
Access specifier, return type, any method name, same, parameter list.
What does this mean?
Sorry. Parameter list.
What does this mean?
I don't hear you clearly.
See, it is telling that, wait. It is telling that for method overloading, okay, you can have any access specifier.
Yes.
Like public, private, protected, anything.
Yes.
You can have any return type. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So you have two methods which are overloaded. So you can keep any return type in this. Return type do not makes any difference in overloading. It is ignored.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
For overloading, the method name should be same as for all the methods. Correct?
Yes.
And parameter list should be different.
Yes.
The number of parameters or type is different.
Yes.
Okay. Now we have an example. Read the example.
Variable in H, variable parameter in H and in vice overloaded. Variable.
Why the first two are overloaded?
Because it is different parameter.
Yeah, different in what? Different in number or different in type?
Different number of
or
parameter, both parameter and type.
Yes.
Oh no,
Yes, so
I think parameter, number of parameter only, the type is the same in H and E. Number of parameter is different and type is the same. Yes.
Yeah,
so
type is same, but number of parameter is different.
Yes.
So it is overloaded.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes, correct.
Good.
And
Now the third one.
okay, third one, void area, double wise, is also overloaded
Why it is overloaded?
because it type is different.
Yes. Correct. What about fourth one?
So in area, in a
It is overloaded or not?
no, it's error.
Yeah, it is error, correct. But why? Give me the reason.
Return type.
No, why it is not overloaded? Why is the fourth one not overloaded?
Because it's the same type is the same.
Okay.
Yeah.
Same to what? Which one? First, second, third, fourth.
The first one.
Yes, because the type and the number both are same.
Yes.
So you should say that because it has the same parameter in first one and the fourth one. Because of that, it is not overloaded. It is error.
Yes.
Okay, understood?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So I mean overloading error return type is no rule.
No rule. No rule.
Okay.
Okay.
We can put integer, double, string, extra.
Anything. No.
Yeah,
No rule.
anything no rule about return type.
No rule about
Okay, it's just saying about the
different.
type
Okay.
and number of parameters. Okay, two things only.
Yes.
Yeah.
Correct. Correct. You are right.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I remember that you told me about when interview, but
Yes. So
I'm not clear what you tell me.
okay. See, when you go for interview for job, okay, they will ask you this problem that I have the return type different. So are the methods overloaded? Like first one, fourth one. They will give you a puzzle. They'll say that first one
Sorry.
and fourth one.
I'm not clear. Maybe internet.
Listen,
Yeah.
listen.
Let me check internet connection. Okay. Okay. You can start right now.
Okay. See, when you go for interview,
Yes.
okay, so they will ask you question that they will give you example for first one and the fourth one. Okay,
Yeah.
they will say that give me reason why these two methods are not overloaded.
Mm-hmm.
So what will you answer?
Yeah. My answer is that because it's the same type.
Type
Yeah, it
means
is
type of what?
type of first method. Internet connection is problem.